Triangle KLM has vertices K 2, 2, L negative 1, 2, M negative 3, 0. Sketch triangle KLM and its image after the transformation. And we see that we have notation that x is changed to negative x and y stayed the same. Because x is changed to negative and y is stayed the same, it means that we have here reflection in the y-axis. So we can write that we have reflections in the y-axis. So first we will draw xy plane. To choose the unit, approximately 1, and we have point K 2, 2, so this is 2 and we have to go up 2. This is our point K. Next we have point negative 1 and 2, so this is here, this is point L, and M is negative 3, 0. 1, 2, negative 3. This is our point M. This is our triangle KLM. Now we have to find the vertices of our triangle after transformation, and we have here reflection in the y-axis. We see that first coordinate is changed to negative and the y stay the same. So let me copy first vertex. K is 2, 2. So we have to put negative sign. We have to multiply first coordinate by negative 1. So we have negative 2 and the y stay the same. Point L has coordinates negative 1, 2. This is x, this is y. So again, first coordinate we have to multiply by negative 1. So we have negative and negative 1 in parentheses. The y stay the same. So negative and negative is positive and 2. And M has coordinates negative 3, 0. So now, again, we have to multiply first coordinate by negative 1. So we have negative, and in parentheses will be negative 3, and 0 we just copy. So negative and negative give me positive 3, and 0 we copy. So now our triangle will have coordinates negative 2 and 2. This is our K prime. Let me put L now is 1 and 2. This is L prime, and M has coordinates 3, 0. This is our M prime. So now we have to connect these 3 points, K with prime with M prime, L prime, and L prime with M prime. When we have reflection about y-axis, we should get the same triangle. The triangles are congruent. So this is my solution.